Welcome to Brew News. On the 30th of September 2024, a significant political event took place at the Khasnampara Brew settlement in North Tripura, where the Tipra Motha party organized a large-scale joining program. The event saw the participation of approximately 2,000 people, all of whom decided to pledge their support to the Tipra Motha party under the leadership of Sabijoy Riang, a prominent figure in the local community. The joining program was marked by a strong show of unity and hope, as those who chose to align themselves with Tipra Motha expressed their deep admiration for Bhubhagra, the founder and guiding force behind the party. The new members emphasized that their decision to join was fueled by their trust and belief in Bhubhagra's leadership and his vision for the future of not only Tripura but also the marginalized communities, such as the Brew people. Many of the 2,000 new members highlighted that they have long admired Bhubhagra's dedication to the cause of indigenous rights and his focus on securing greater political, social, and economic representation for the Brew community. They expressed hope and confidence that under Bhubhagra's leadership, the Tipra Motha party would bring positive developments, justice, and prosperity to the Brew people, who have historically been neglected and marginalized. During the event, Sabijoy Riang spoke passionately about the goals of the Tipra Motha party, encouraging the Brew people to stand united and work together to achieve self-determination, cultural preservation, and improved living conditions. He reiterated Bhubhagra's promise of advocating for the rights of indigenous communities and expressed optimism that the collective strength of the Brew people, under Tipra Motha's banner, would lead to meaningful changes in the region. The gathering marked a pivotal moment for the Brew community in Khasnampara, as the large turnout and enthusiastic participation demonstrated a growing support for the party's mission. The newly joined members believe that Bhubhagra's leadership will eventually yield fruitful results for their community, ensuring that the Brew people's voices are heard, their rights are protected, and their futures are secure. This event stands as a testament to the enduring belief in Bhubhagra's leadership and the hope that Tipra Motha will be a vehicle for the upliftment of the Brew people, fostering greater unity and stronger representation in Tripura's political landscape.